All right, money day, guys. We have today's New York stream, 25th March. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is a Tuesday today. We're gonna look at some of these pairs and see if we can catch some moves for this afternoon. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Okie dokie. All right, cool. Let's see what we get today. Or this afternoon, should I say. We're dropping quite fast on gold right now. Interesting. Like, overall, I do think gold can definitely come down lower. Maybe potentially we're getting the high of the day here. Like, there's no imbalance on the daily time frame for us to revisit up here. So I think this can definitely expand lower. Obviously, we're inside this hourly candle, so we need to see how that's going to progress for today. I definitely want to see this come lower. I do. Obviously, it's difficult right now because we do have this lower time frame bullish structure. Low, high, 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 low, high, high. So there's definitely like potential for us to get a high low and then continue to make a high high. But if we just slow it down, there may be a little bit of an opportunity here to go short, go counter. Right now, DXY is figuring out what it wants to do. I think as well for today, we should have some stuff. Yeah, we got consumer confidence and new home sales at 2 p.m. So that's in a little bit. Okay. I wonder how the GDX is looking. GDX is up pre-market. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I don't like this gold picture right now. It's giving both buys and sells. Money day, guys. How you guys doing? It's giving both buys and sells.
I love
Ooh, my back.
Monday.com. What's Monday.com? You don't know Monday.com? This is Monday.com.
There's a little sell price action happening here for GU. I'd be surprised if I actually see GU take out the high of yesterday. To be honest with you guys, I would be surprised. Like, I don't think GU will. So we can probably play off of that. EU's also holding inside this half-hour candle at the moment. Let's give this a little bit of a chance. Obviously, we've got 2 hours till the next economic event or economic news. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback. I'll start to look to go short around here. Alright. If we can get a little bit of a pullback. Not too sure if we will come back up here, but I'm going to look at that area there. Realistically, we do need some bullish price action from the dollar, which would be ideal to force this lower. Just the current order flow market is quite bullish. That's the only thing I would say for gold. Yes, Brian, how you doing, my bro? You good? Okay. Let's just let market print a little bit. It doesn't look like there's much going on right now. I think we can probably find some shorts on gold. But the question is for gold is where that'll come from. Unknown sell. Yes, bro. How you doing, man? You good? Money day, money day. I know gold is printing bullish price action right now, but I just don't think it's gonna hold. I'll be honest with you guys. You're in a short from 30.21. Yeah, nice one, bro. Like I'm looking for a short somewhere up here on the M1. We've had like these little pullbacks here, and we shot down. So realistically, I'm not really playing the minute candle. I'm looking more so at the overall picture, right? Because I do think this might just flip bearish engulfing. I do think it will. But hopefully we can get a little bit of a pullback before going. Because, yeah, this is getting lower. Okay, the lower this goes, we'll have to change our targets. But I agree. Not sure if I'll hold. I want to see break 13. Otherwise, might have to reevaluate. Yeah, well, we're about to reach 30.13. I do think these are some okay shorts. I want to say they're solid shorts because um, the PA on the lower time frames right now is a little bit bullish looking. Yes, Gift, money day, my bro. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Even where EU is right now, it's not a terrible area to go short from. But I'm trying to be aware of this area here. I might send out a sell for EU, you know, guys. I might just send out a sell for it. Give it about a 15 pip stop. Might do, fellas. The overall target can be the daily low. How much is that? It's not that deep, really. Doesn't have to go to there. We can get 1 to 3, that's fine. Like, I wouldn't mind selling EU at all. Oh, and by the way, from yesterday, I did post the London sessions price action and what I look out for today or this morning, shall I say? And I did tell you guys, like, look, we'll probably push up tomorrow into that 4-hour imbalance there on EU, right? And I did say to you, wait for Tokyo session to finish around 7:30. Look to see if we can get a sweep of Tokyo sessions low, and then buy up. Okay, and that's exactly what's played out so far. So hopefully, you guys are using that. I can't hold everyone's hands all the time. I can give you the analysis, and you need to act off of that. Because to be honest, even myself, I'm a little bit upset. I couldn't even wake up today, man. Couldn't even wake up today. I woke up like an hour ago. Anyways, Brian said, read my mind, eyeing EU shorts as well. Yeah, I think most of the majors can be shorts, Even GU's pushed up a lot higher than EU, which is fine. But it's in an area where it's like, I don't think we'll take out Monday's high. At least not today anyways, I don't think we will take out Monday's high, but if I'm corrected, then I'm corrected. AU has had the best buy out of the 3 majors. Very, very nice push up, man. AU could probably push up a little bit more. AU could probably push up a little bit more, to be honest with you. So here's the thing, yeah, we're gonna have to start selling gold. Well, I will. Let me send out a sell for EU as well whilst I'm here, man. Like, there's not enough confirmations for this EU short. But I'm gonna play my analysis and just see how it does. I think we're in decent areas. Like, price can definitely push up a little bit more, to be honest with you, for EU. Like, I do want to extend the SL a little bit more as well. Like, EU might not be ready right now. Because look, here's the thing, right? So, the 4 hour picture for DXY, I also talked about that in the setup in the video from yesterday. Like, we've pushed down into the 4 hour candle, fine, cool, little pullback. Now, this picture, right, it can head down a little bit lower to this hourly candle here on the DXY. It can do that. It can also give us a reaction at this half hour imbalance, which is where we're currently at. Okay, we've just about tapped into it. So the thing is, if we kind of don't take the setup from now and we wait for price to push up and then maybe look for a pullback, we're not going to get an entry as high as here. Does that make sense? Yeah. But to be honest, a small part of me, yeah, knows it's a better option to take the sell from higher on EU. Okay. Right, if we take the sell from here, this setup is far superior than this one down here. Right, and then with this option we can have a much larger target, you know, get potentially 4% out of this over the 3%.
Hey everybody, my name is Sam, aka Sambucha, and I'm a YouTuber who makes
Guys, if you're watching the live stream right now and you're enjoying it, guys, don't forget to leave a like on the live stream. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not inside of my Discord or Telegram, link to both of them are in the description box down below. This is where I interact with my whole community, guys. Yeah, I know most of you guys are probably already in the Discords and Telegram, so again, thank you. If you haven't liked the live stream, what are you doing? Like the stream, my bro. Like the stream, my dudes and dudettes. If you're not liking the stream, you're doing a disservice to yourself. Anyways, enough of that. So there's two areas right now for EU shorts. Alert. Okay, so what alert is that? Gold's pushing back up. DXY is continuing to drop. Okay, cool. So we might have to hold off on this EU short for now. I was just about to send it out as well. Problem is this little 5-minute candle here. Like, even if you went in for a buy here, you could go for a buy here, guys. I can't lie. You could go for a buy here, or you could have, should I say, 6-pip stop to that half-hour imbalance. It's a 1 to 3 hour trade. I mean, look, I'll tell you this, yeah, guys. We're just gonna wait. We are just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. Unknown Cell says, "Do you see the consumer confidence event doing much to the USD?" Yeah, for sure. Especially it being the only red folder for today, it would definitely affect the dollar. Not too sure how it will affect gold, but if it affects the dollar, it will probably affect gold as well. See, I'm in two minds of where I'm gonna take this short from. Alright, here's what I might do, yeah, guys. I might just increase this SL up here. Give about 50 pips. So I'm gonna start shorting. That just about covers that candle's high. $1,500 pips. Well, sorry, 150 pips drops us outside of the Tokyo range low. Alright, I'm gonna start selling, guys, can't lie. Let me just get out. Get up. Just log into the accounts. So with this, we're definitely gonna be in drawdown. So if you don't fancy being in drawdown, then just sit out, to be honest. But I know we're definitely gonna be in drawdown. I think gold can definitely come up a little bit more. So I'm gonna use this as an opportunity. I hate it when price starts moving. Because then now it's like you're at market's mercy. You know, if it's gonna give you a pullback or not. Let's see. Can someone keep an eye out on EU for me, yeah? Because the multitasking right now is a bit of a madness. Okay, gold's pushing back up now. I just want to, well, not just me, but we need to figure out what the DXY wants to do. That's our only problem. Okay, some decent push up. See, look at that 15-minute candle. I mean, look, I'm gonna play this short, man. It's counterintuitive, it's counterproductive, but I'm gonna play the shorts. Definitely gonna have to change this, the TPs and the stop. Alright, I'm adding some more positions to the short so that you guys are aware. So that there's no gatekeeping going on. I don't want to hear no problems. I'm telling you guys, saying that I didn't tell you when I'm entering. You guys should all be able to hear the gavels in the background, anyways. The little shoom shoom shoom. All right, if gold keeps pushing up a little bit more, I'm gonna add some more shorts. If you guys are not in this, then you're not in it, innit? I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Ah, this is the longest part, you know, adjusting all these TPs. How's EU looking? EU still there. Okay, cool. All right, so for all of you on the live stream right now, we should all be in this position now. I think we've just about hit TP1 as well. But give me a second, I'll confirm. Let me just... To be honest, guys, yeah, I need someone to flip in, fill out all these SLs for me and take profits, because this is what takes long. Did we hit TP1? No, not yet. Where's TP1? 30, 17, 17, 30. Not, we didn't hit. Okay, cool. Well, yeah, guys, this is what I'm playing right now, man. Just playing the shorts right now. Let's see what EU's doing. EU is kind of just it's just there. EU's just there. It's not really doing much.
I love Monday.com.
What's Monday.com?
You don't know Monday.com?
But we're getting some nice rejections to the downside so far.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it.
Okay, we've hit TP1 by the way. We're getting a really nice drop right now. I would not be surprised if we get a push all the way back up to test this 5-minute imbalance again. So if you didn't really get the chance to enter, don't worry. You might get another opportunity. Okay. I'm gonna set some alerts for the DXY, for the high and the low. I want to know everything that's going on with the dollar right now. Let's see if you guys got any questions. Unknown Cell says, not a red. Is it, bro? Thought it was an amber. Only red were yesterday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, so when you're looking at these economic events, yeah, some providers, they will classify it as a red folder. So for example, I use investing.com. Some of you might use FX Street or Forex Factory. They're going to classify, most of them is going to be the same, but sometimes there's going to be differences. Okay, so for me, when I say consumer confidence is red folder, on investing.com is 3 stars. Okay, it's a 3-star news release. Just be aware of it. That's all you have to do. Brian says watching EU, I'd want it to go up more ideally. Yeah. Ideally, higher price on EU would be good. What TP are you extending it to? What are you talking about? Are you talking about gold? I'm assuming you're talking about gold. Realistically, for gold, right? I want gold to actually come for the low that we created on Friday, right? So that's like terminus. I had one position from yesterday open that I set down here at 29.78, but obviously today, you know, I woke up and we hit break even. So for this, the main target, yeah, bro, is gonna be Tokyo Sessions low, right? If we can obviously make a new lower low, then that would be great. But the main target is Tokyo Sessions low. Dollar is starting to go lower as well. Mark says, "What's good, team? What's happening, my bro? You good? Glad you can make it, my bro." Yeah, like you know, obviously I've gone with a sizable stop, right? Where the entry is, so I've given it 50 pips. So it's like, even if we get Tokyo Sessions low, that's a 2.5R. Obviously we want to get, you know, most of the time a 3R, but guys, 2R trades is fine. Is more than valid. Don't stress yourself. Okay, so we're heading up higher now. DXY has continued to drop, so gold has now come back into the range after hitting, well, come back to entry after hitting TP1. Let me just put it in the Discord. DXY is dropping, man. E must be heading higher. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm gonna look at the higher area for shorts on EU. G still holding. Alright, that's for sure. That's what's happening. PA is not bad. Price action is actually not bad. It's pretty decent. My name, say my name. The thing is, yeah, worst case scenario, this pulls all the way back up here, right? For me, anyways, that's worst case scenario. Well, realistically, worst case scenario is stop loss, am I right? But, you know, this is like the final area, so I want, if I'm looking for any re-entries, that's why I didn't go for a 40 pip stop. I want my SL to at least cover that imbalance, that imbalances candles high. That's what I'm ideally working with. I want us to at least cover this candles high. And the fact that gold is also up pre-market, it's a little bit scary, boys. It's a little bit scary. This hourly candle is not looking great. Look at the hourly candle. Look at that hourly candle. It's looking very, very bullish. I'll be honest with you guys. You know how this hourly candle is currently printing is looking real bullish. But at the moment, this is what we see, so we're gonna play that. DXY is still dropping. We're almost at the hourly candle there for the DXY. I'll be surprised if we take out yesterday's low on the DXY. I would be, to be honest with you. Let me set some alerts for EU as well. Oh, this will be interesting, guys, man. This hourly candle's closure, which is in 15 minutes. Let me see the 15-minute. Oof. It's looking heavy. It's looking heavy. Anyway, sit tight, yeah. I'm still in these moves. The SL is sufficient. It is. Do you know what I mean? The SL is sufficient, guys. So I'm not worried about it at all. The SL is sufficient for what we need it to do. And to be honest, I want to just take an entry on gold right now, man. Probably should have waited, but I'm just gonna take it where it is. Oh my days. What do you mean setting a buy limit? Delete that buy limit, boy. Trying to get me rinsed. Or was that divine intervention? Get me doing things I'll never do. Okay, dollars hit that 1 hour candle. I've just added another position on my side here. What's the stop on this? I'm gonna leave that for now. What else is gone? EU. EU's pumping. Might be able to take that short on EU then, fellas. Just air it in, hold. Let's see what GU's doing. I really don't want to see GU take out this high, man. Oh, we're donezo. Okay, stops in place. Everything is good to go. We just gotta wait now. We have just gotta wait now. I have Onosel says I have 30.04, but I want to extend it to 20. What was that? 299. Yeah, bro, you can definitely go for 299. That's cool, bro. 299. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. You can target this wick low. Like, to be honest, I think gold can, you know, drop way lower. So 299 is perfectly fine, bro. The question that you gotta ask yourself is, can you actually sit there and hold it all the way to 299? Do you understand what I'm saying? Alright, I'm adding another sell on gold here. I wonder if EU will get up here. Alright guys, give me 5 minutes, yeah? I'll be right back. I'll leave the music going and we'll watch gold. That hour candle is looking crazy, Mark, I'm telling you. The hourly candle is looking peak. But what I'm kinda, yeah, the hourly candle is just not looking good, but I'm gonna play the overall setup that I see. This is incredibly bullish. So for me, I see something, so I'm just gonna play it. You guys can go half risk because we are still in and around entry. We're in a little bit of prof. So if you don't feel confident or you're a bit scared, half your positions. You know, no one's forcing you to do anything, but I'm in it because I believe it will go to TP. Okay. Anyways, give me 5 minutes. Give me five minutes. I'm coming back. Don't leave the stream. Just watch price. That's all.
From the thing them call a broken heart, this blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start, but tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Thinking how the road made me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Because you know we're at the part. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. Girl, but I never have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. But I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, me give you love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform.
Love you, baby.
I show you get the little loving and we gone.
Don't know how to love me.
I ain't no time for no kissing.
If you want to make a full-time income from home working part-time, you need to know this one concept, because there is a new and better way to make money in UK real estate without ever buying houses and being a landlord. You never get any loans. You don't need to buy, fix up and renovate homes like you see on TV shows like Homes Under the Hammer. That can be risky. And you never put money down, you never get credit checked, and you don't need any prior experience or qualifications in order to start doing this on the side. In fact, you could run this from your kitchen on the evenings and weekends, or you could take your laptop and run it from a coffee shop like I do if you like, because you never visit any of these houses to flip them. And it's a simple formula, and I give an example of one of my students, Ed. Ed lives in Italy, Rome, and he flips houses for £3,000 to £5,000 per flip in the northeast of England, and he never puts his own money down, and he never gets any loans, so he doesn't need any credit checks. All he uses is a laptop and an internet connection. And it's not just him. I've been teaching for a decade now, over the last 10 years, and here's some of my top students. We've rented mansions in Spain, and I've taught this for a long time. And we've been flipping houses remotely for the last decade, quietly just getting on and doing it. And one of my top students, Gavin, he was struggling in the golf industry. He was about to be fired in his job. He was making roughly about £3,000 a month. And he stumbled across this opportunity. He acted on it, and it's completely changed his life. Listen to what Gavin had to say.
And I know what you're all going to be thinking, like I did. I don't know if this is going to work. How much should I do it? I'm telling you now, you just got to go for it. Go for it, don't look back, study, if you do what they say, it will work. I've got 4 in escrow going through this month.
Flipping houses online, where you just need a laptop and an internet connection to begin this. And you don't need money down, you don't need any credit checks or loans, and you don't need any starter qualifications or degrees or experience in order to start flipping your first deal. So in fact, my challenge for you is to flip your first deal in the next 30 days like hundreds of my students have. So let me show you. This is an ad. I have limited amount of time. So what I want you to do is follow the blue arrows, whether you're on mobile or desktop. Click those links. It's going to take you to a very simple page. You're going to put your details in. It's completely secure, and you're going to get registered for a time this week. We'll be hosting a couple of trainings where you can register and you can get started. You can discover how this model works. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my best-selling book as a bonus for doing that. It's called How to Flip Properties If No Money, Credit or Experience has been purchased over 30,000 times and counting. I'm going to give you this completely for free instantly.
Toblerone truffles, velvety diamond-shaped chocolate with a crunchy nougat filling.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the times change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lust too much, I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend to slide to on the low, no location. I don't want them singing, getting faded. You should come tonight.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, we're holding some deep drawdown, boy. Joe, Money Day, my bro, how you doing? Let me see what's been happening. Guys, make sure you like the stream, yeah? If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you like the stream. That hourly candle is looking crazy. Anyways, I still have faith in this move, in this trade. Even if gold does push up from here, like, I wouldn't be surprised off of the sub-hourly time frame, so 1 hour, half hour, 15-minute. You know, it's been giving bullish signatures the whole way through, so I wouldn't be surprised if we hit stop because of that. But looking at it from a higher time frame perspective, this should be coming down. Okay, it should be coming down. Like I told you guys already, the last stance is this imbalance here. So it's like, if we don't get price, right, dropping from there, then we're done. So, you know, I kind of want to see this hour come down all the way back down, take out this low. So let's see if I'm correct or not. And to be honest, right now it's not looking good, bruv. The good thing is that so far, the dollar has pushed up a little bit. I don't know if we've got enough space inside of here, but let's see. Let's see. We got a nice rejection from the imbalance on the 15 minutes so far, so that's good. The other areas that we need to look out for is here, and this 1 minute candle area here as well. So we kind of want to see it. We kind of want to see ourselves just push through these areas and not hold it. But the DXY just keeps dropping, you know. DXY just keeps dropping. Unknown Cell says, haha, that's the hard bit holding, but I have 3 positions, so I will bank 2 and leave 1 and put SL at BE, then I will not check charts for some time, so I'll be able to hold it. Yeah, that's a valid way of looking at markets, bro. Sometimes, you know, if you don't want to affect your trade, you can just leave. You can just leave. For me, For me, I probably wouldn't hold the whole move, but what I will do is look for re-entries where I can and try to enter again and again. And then once I'm happy with what I see, I'll take it, and then I'll just leave like a small amount left over. Oof, fellas, this is not looking good, boy. It's not looking good. That owly candle, man. Anyways, let's see what happens. You know, could we be forming the high of the hour inside this level here? I don't want to see us basically hit stop. That's if we push above there, then gold's definitely gonna head higher. If we get price pushing above and hitting our stop, then we can look for some buys. Okay, but even then, I still wouldn't like to look for some buys. I'll be honest with you. Call me stubborn, that's fine, but what I'm seeing at the moment is not sufficient enough. EU though definitely has more space to the upside to go before we hit that area we want to sell from. So what, you're telling me we're going to be buying all day today? So from London session we've been buying, New York open we're still buying. Okay, if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. Damn, fellas. We've just got to hold the line, man. I can't lie, we've got to hold the line. If we don't sell from here, I don't see any other place where this can be a sell. Like, just gotta hold the line, man. Because ideally, when I think about it, what does gold want to do? Punch above this high again, and then what? Potentially go for this high here. Because if we're punching above this high, the high of today, and then punch above Monday's high, then we've literally got to start looking at all-time highs again. Like, that's the only option. We have to start looking at all-time highs again. And you've got to ask yourself, is like, are we going to get all-time highs now? Maybe. It is possible, because on the daily we have actually had quite a deep, not a deep one, but a decent retracement, right? We've had a decent retracement there on the daily. I mean, this would be a very wicked trade if it plays out, right? It would be a very, very wicked trade, a very, very nice trade. Like, if price really starts to drop, I'll add to the shorts again. Call me a madman. For me, this is the part I don't like. Just sitting in drawdown, not knowing if you're wrong or you're right, because you're in drawdown. You haven't hit any TPs. You've kind of just got to chill, wait for market to print, and then you know whether you were right or wrong. Money Day Joe, Money Day Gifts. How you guys doing? We're in. Excuse me. We're currently stuck in some gold shorts, fellas. We're stuck. It's not looking good. Yeah, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're donezo. We're donezo. the gold's pushing, dollar's pushing up now. The thing is, when markets opens in about, what was that, 24, 23 minutes, gold will probably keep pumping up because we are also up on the pre-market. Yeah, looks like we're done, so man. Last point, man. Last point of contact. Just gotta hold the line. This is the last point. If we don't hold here, we are taking out that high. Like, we just look very bullish, man. I just can't deny it. We do. Like, I knew we looked very bullish today anyways from the start.
Boost your mobile game's revenue with rewarded ads. Unlike regular ads, rewarded ads are a part of the game. They're not.
Look, do you know what the thing is, yeah? I keep looking at this and I ask myself, or I'm asking myself in my head, right? Is this a buy? Yes, we look bullish now, like 100%, but even if we punch above and we make a new high, is this potentially going to rival this high here on Monday? And I keep asking myself that and I keep saying no. Like, I keep saying that and I keep having the exact same answer. No, I don't think it will. And it's like, even if we do push up, I don't think we'll beat this high. So potentially we go back to test the 2-hour candle from yesterday. Maybe. But I just don't see it. I don't know. I just don't see it right now. Hey, maybe I'm just wrong, but we'll see. Regardless, yeah, we are obviously sitting very close to stop, right? Our stops will probably get hit. Potentially we take out today's high, fine. But I don't think we'll take out this high. I don't think we will. But let's see. I get the vibe that we're gonna get one of those days where we take out our stops, or gold takes our stops and then goes into our way into profit anyways. I have a feeling we're gonna get one of those days. I mean, we hit TP1 and then straight back into drawdown. Anyways. Like if we don't hold here, okay, push up, pull back, push up, pull back.
Can we get it together?
Mm-hmm. 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 Looks like we're wiped out, fellas. Yep, looks like we are wiped out. Okay, so 2 of my accounts have just been stopped. The copy trader account is still running. Oh, it's like 2 pips off of stop right now. Okay, that's it, it's gone. Alright, let's take a step back, let's reevaluate. So, realistically, PA is bullish, innit? Like, again, we already knew that. What I'm now going to look out for is if we're going to take out this high, which looks pretty much guaranteed, and we're going to see if price is going to take out yesterday's high. So I'm going to set an alert for both. We're going to take a look at session. Like, I would be so surprised if we get up to Monday's high. Okay. So we've been stopped on those gold shorts, which is fine. At least for today. Let's see how gold wants to print for the rest of the day. I don't think gold is done. We've still got a setup on EU to go short. Guys, if you're in the live stream right now and you're new to the live stream, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy this type of content, more of this content is provided for free inside of my Discord and Telegram. Links to both of those are in the description box down below, okay? We've got quite a few of you on today's live stream, so welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've got any questions, put inside the chat box. Okay. Whether we take a W, we take a L, you guys see it all live. You guys see it all live. So we've taken an L on that one, which, to be honest with you, it just didn't need to be an L. You know, I was probably too stuck on gold being a short that I didn't look at potentially buying gold. And to be honest, that's a lie. I did look at potentially buying gold. I just didn't want to buy gold, which is fine. I've got one last position still open. Wait, come on now. Don't do this. Don't do this, gold. Don't do this. Don't just wick stop and then start flying down. Gold, behave yourself. Take out the high. Don't make me get into another short. Guys, put in the chat box, gold be golding. That's quite an energetic move down from gold there. Gold, man. Honestly. You're actually just such a bastard sometimes. Look at gold dropping now. Gold, man. Brian says, no way gold is doing what I think it's doing. Give says, lol, if you don't laugh, trust me, bro. When I tell you, I was taken out by literally 1 pip, and now we're flying straight back down. I mean, to be honest, we haven't pushed down into profit, so it's like we haven't really gone anywhere. Gold, man. Flipping gold. How this hourly candle is now printing. I mean, it can still turn bullish at the end of the day. Right, half-hour picture. Yeah, it can still turn bullish. Oh, gold, man. Gold, man. Gold, man. Honestly. Giz says, any thoughts on BTC? Reckon we hit those all-time highs again, or we done at this price range? What do you mean by all-time highs? Do you mean like all-time highs or recent highs on Bitcoin? Because all-time highs is far, bro. It's like that's 22,000 pips away. Do you mean all-time highs? If you mean all-time highs, yeah, bro, there's not enough evidence, at least technically, to suggest that we're gonna get all-time highs from here. Like, we'll have to break 94k, right? If we break 94k, then that's our first bits of evidence to say that we may go for all-time highs. But like right now, we have definitely pulled back, and it's like it depends. What do you want to do? Do you want to trade Bitcoin, or do you want to buy Bitcoin? Do you understand? And if you want to buy Bitcoin, even when Bitcoin came down to 80k, I thought 80k was just quite a decent price, an okay price. All-time high is about 35% return. Obviously, if we drop down lower, then the returns are better. But you know, even when I look at like price action right now, as in recently, we've been in this channel, right? We've been in this channel here. Okay, so it's like we haven't broke the downside of the channel or the upside of the channel. There's a bit of a flag pattern going on at the moment. Zeno, what's happening, my bro? You good? Money day, money day. Yeah, I mean, look, if you want to sell your coins, you should have sold at some at 100k, to be honest. I'm not saying sell your whole bag, but sell it, wait for price to go down, and then buy using the exact same amount that you sold. Because obviously there's more here, right? When you sold, you would have had more money, and then if you reinvested this money from here at that price to here, you're gonna get more Bitcoins than what you had up here. If you held it all the way through all-time highs and come down, you still have the same amount of Bitcoins. Do you know what I mean? So again, oh, gold, man, gold, man, gold, man. Guys, this looks like it's gonna slap down. Like, genuinely, this is giving me I'm about to tank vibes. This play right here is giving me it's about to go down.
Hey everybody, my name is Sam, aka Sambucha, and I'm a YouTuber who makes variety content ranging from challenges to games.
Mate. Look at DXY as well, it's pushing up.
Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. I have the gang fi me gang pussy run up if you bad. Kryptonite coming out the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting lies up.
Yeah, G, I didn't think you were gonna take out your high anyways. Gold, like, please, if you're gonna stop me out, just go for it. Go for the highest. I beg, just go for the highest. Just keep going, just keep going, keep going, keep going up. Don't make me believe, or don't make me sell when market is going up for you to stop me out and then go in the direction anyways. We got seven minutes till pre-London Open, guys. If you're new viewer on the channel, on the live stream right now, just come say hello in the chat box. I would love to. Oh, what's this? Yeah, just come say hello. What's your favorite pair? Are you a beginner? How long have you been trading, etc, etc. Let's just have a convo. Okay, turn the music down a little bit. Guys, that is so annoying. I mean, Bitcoin right now is bullish, you know. Hourly picture, 4-hour picture, steadily rising. Guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, like the stream. Helps with the YouTube algorithms. Let's just make it bigger. No, it doesn't. So I'll make it bigger, guys, for you. If I go full screen, I think it does ever so slightly. Okay, we're gonna look inside of here. Guys, don't forget to leave a like on the live if you haven't done so already. Oh my goodness. and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. All right, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes till stock open. Okay, quite a big push there with the last previous minute candle. Literally all in that last few seconds. Okay. Go on, gold. Keep pushing then. This would be so interesting, you know. I'm gonna have to analyze this the short setups that we took earlier today and look at where I could have gone wrong. I'll do that later. Okay, stock market is now open. GDX is pushing up off of the open for now. Still pushing up on the GDX. Still pushing up on the GDX. Okay, it looks like gold is starting to react now as well. GDX is currently at 45.16, 45.12. Okay, GDX is pushing up 45.21. Okay, gold's out of here. Cool. Cool. Oof, stock market. US 30's looking like a pretty wicked sell going on. To be honest, stock market has been bullish since it opened. To be honest, guys, with gold pushing up, taking out the high, which is fine. I haven't really got any other setups, at least for now. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set some alerts, and I'm going to update you guys inside of the Discord, okay? If you guys are not part of the Discord, the link to the Discord is in the description box down below. Just click on the little more sign, and it'll take you straight to the Discord. Okay? To be honest, I'm not upset about the shorts that we took. You know, I'm asking myself, would I take those shorts again? And the honest answer is yes, I would. I would take those shorts again. Um, should I have taken the buy? Obviously, the price has gone up, but I would have taken the shorts again. So we'll just have to work with that for now. I'll leave gold for a little bit, let print its picture. We've got a really nice setup for EU for the shorts if we can get up there as well. And don't worry, I know some of you guys can't take losses, but losses is part of it. And we'll definitely catch a move soon. Okay. Money day, guys. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you all in Discord. Peace.